Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel and new video. Today I am going to show you how to fix your account is restricted right now WhatsApp problems. Okay, let's see how to fix it. At first, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Just wait. Click on search icon. Search for WhatsApp. Now scroll down little bit. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Go back. And now scroll up. Click on permissions. Now make sure all permission is enabled. And now go back to home screen. Now go to your Play Store. Search icon. Search for WhatsApp. WhatsApp is update is available. And now scroll down. Click on app support and click on email. Report your WhatsApp issue and now send icon. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.